This is Tower 3. This is one of 3 towers in West Metro's district.
90 feet, just past 90.
So Tower 3 has a 100-foot aerial ladder.
You're at 100 feet high, you can see everywhere.
This is a Pierce Quantum, and it was manufactured in 2007. So on Tower 3, we have a minimum of 4 people staffing. We have an officer, an engineer, and 2 firefighters. So the towers have some specialized equipment on it. One of the pieces of equipment that everybody's familiar with is the spreaders, or what people call the jaws of life. So all of these tools are used for any type of extrication we might come across, whether we need to do a simple job and just pop the door off of the car, or if we need to get more complex and roll dashboards and remove the roof completely. All 3 towers have the same set of equipment. Tower 3 is set up to where the driver's side of the vehicle is set up for anything we might need on a fire. And the right side of the vehicle, the officer side, is set up for the specialty jobs we might have, whether it's an extrication or rope call or water rescue or something like that. Tower 3, like all of our fire engines, has a fire pump. What's unique about our towers is that it is capable of flowing 2,000 gallons per minute, which is a lot of water, and it comes in very useful on those large fires that we sometimes get. One of the pieces of equipment we have on Tower 3 is a positive pressure fan. It's one of the tools we can use when we're trying to ventilate the smoke out of a burning building. So on this truck we have many saws that we can choose from if we need to ventilate a roof, if we need to cut through a steel door, whatever the job might bring to us, we have the tools to allow us to get the job done. So one of the things firefighters are tasked with is being able to get in any type of building, whether it's locked or unlocked. So in this compartment we have some very large bolt cutters that we can use. And then up here we have a lot of hand tools, and some that we frequently use are called the irons. And the irons together are the flathead axe and the Halligan. We can use these tools together to force doors and allow us to get in. So not only does Tower 3 have a 100-foot aerial ladder, it also carries an assortment of other straight ladders, anywhere from 14 feet up to 35 feet. So once again, on this side of the truck, the officer side, it's set up for the specialty calls like auto extrications. And in here you see a bunch of dimensional lumber. What we use this for is on auto accidents, we like to secure the vehicles and make sure that they're not going to roll away or fall more if we have to lift them or anything like that. So we'll stack these under the vehicle and make a box crib, and that allows us to stabilize that vehicle, keep the patient and us safe by not allowing the vehicle to shift anymore. Also on the side of the truck, we have more extrication equipment. We have a hydraulic pump, and we have 2 different size hydraulic rams. And the job of the tower is on any fire call. We've talked about fire and extrication, but on fires we have responsible for laddering the building, doing overhaul, ventilating the building, forcible entry, forcible exit, salvage, rescue, and oftentimes we can get utilities as well.